This short guide shows how to buy shares of Nextdoor Holdings Inc. using the ticker NXDR. Nextdoor is a neighborhood social networking company listed on NASDAQ. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NXDR to find Nextdoor Holdings Inc. Select the entry that matches the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Nextdoor Holdings Inc. Verify the ticker shows NXDR and the exchange is NASDAQ before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade, the new position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to visit the platform.